Okay, round two. Hey, birdie, be good. Hey. Hey. Easy. We're not being like that. Hey, who's driving? Good girl. And we're not gonna go into the tree this time. I know that's probably hard to believe. We're gonna use leg. Yes, we are. We're gonna use leg. And you're brave. Oh, yeah. Come on. Hey. Easy. Good girl. Okay, we're gonna turn here, and guess what? These branches that we are thinking of are okay. So we're gonna come up on one, and look at it. Yes. Good girl. Good girl. Yep, it's just a branch. You're fine. Yep, not into the tree. Hey, behave. I don't know what could possibly be over there. Easy. Hey, I just said easy. I know you do this stuff just fine with your mother. Hey. 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 Girl. What are we scared of? Okay, just keep going. Good girl. Hey. Good girl. Yup, easy. Easy, yes. Good girl. Good girl. Oh my God, good girl. Is it just scary because it's new with me, or are you taking advantage of me? Yeah, I said it. Don't take advantage of me. I'm your mother. Yes. Yes, pretty girl. Listen, let's go up to the driveway and we can gate down. How about that? Yes. Can gate? Yes. It's okay. Hey. Hey. Okay, it's gonna be right here again. See that? Yes, honey. Hey, easy. Hey, we're gonna turn around. Yeah. Now it's gonna come up here again, the power line shadow. Do you think we can be okay about it? You see it? Okay, you see it? Oh, you see it? Good girl. Okay, and then I think it's a pack of cigarettes that is scaring you over here. Or it's more shadows. Ready? So we're gonna go easy. We're gonna go easy because shadows scare us. Yep. Good girl. Hey, you're kind of walking like you're nervous. Good girl. Yeah. Good girl. I don't want you getting crazy next to this fence, you know? Good girl. Hey. Yup. Good girl. Not into the tree again. Good girl. Hey. Hey, we're not doing what you want to do. I'm driving. Yes, I'm sure of it. get up here. Miss, I want to be up here so bad. Don't get scared of the power line. Bite me. Yes. Easy, baby. We're not going back to eat. Yes, I promise you, you're getting fed. It's okay. Hey, I need your head over here. Yep, pack of cigarettes. We're not stopping to get them. Shadows. Good girl, Birdie. See, I give you a little pet while we go. Hey, let's slow it down. Yeah. Yep. We're just hanging out. Nope. Good girl. Yes. But all my actions. Yeah, bird. Yeah, I'm sure of it. Listen, if you go over this power line just fine, we'll be done. Yeah. You know, I'm just about having fun. Good girl. Hey, it's just shadows. Good girl. Ready? Whew. Good girl. Good girl. Still on your ear? There we go.